you doing?
Well, I want people to take a look at this. So come here.
That must be cheap taping. It sticks too good.
Your shit's gonna peel in 6 months. You don't know what you're doing with your edges. You don't know anything about how to do this job, John. Well, didn't peel.
Wait, you can do 2 tones in the same day?
Yeah, crazy, right? Hey, look. Yours is gonna fail because you don't know how to sand the edges, John. You don't know what you're doing, John. Your shit's gonna fail.
I'm the type to work until my hands fucking bleed. I'm the type to fight when others fall into their knees. I'm the type to ask for more pain, get it please. 'Cause on the other side of pain is everything I fucking need. I got a hunger inside of me, a flame ignites inside.